Hey guys, Rashid Phillips here, and everyone wants to learn how to make a brisket, but it's much easier as long as you keep a few things in mind. First and foremost comes the trimming. You want to make sure that you don't over trim your brisket. You do want to leave some of that fat on there, but you also want to get rid of some of the things that are going to leave a pretty bad taste, like that silver skin and some of the fat pockets around the edges and underneath. You want to make sure that you properly season it. Let's use a binder. In this case, mustard. You won't even taste it once the brisket is done. Add your rub of salt, pepper, garlic powder, or just use your favorite beef rub. A brisket is a huge piece of meat. It takes a long time to cook, and you really want a lot of that flavor to seep through end to end. You don't want to over spritz and spritz too early, because you don't want to wash off any of the flavor that you've already imparted onto the brisket. The wrap is going to make sure that the brisket is tightly bound and finishes off cooking. You want to make sure you wrap it tightly so none of those good juices seep out. Once done, let the brisket rest, slice against the grain, and serve.